Hello, welcome. In this video, we will discuss the second part of the chapter, that is the expansion of the British in India under their consolidation. This with regard to the mainly include a lot of battles and a lot of wars, that include Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar, Anglo-Maratha wars, Anglo-Sikh wars, and Anglo-Mysore wars, and establishment in the Sindh region. All these things we can include in this video. The first thing is the Battle of Plassey, which has been occurred in 1757 between the Nawab of the Bengal and the British, and with respect to the power for the Bengal. And what was the prelude for this battle? Why the battle has been arised? The first thing the battle has to be arrived is misuse of the sorry. The first thing is misuse of the trade privileges given by the Nawab, which affects the Nawab's finance. That is, the company has been misusing the trade privileges. It affects the finance of the Bengal's Nawab. And second one is the fortification by the East India Company. The fortification by the East India Company without the Nawab's permission. This is the second thing in the Calcutta. That is the Fort William. And apart from this, they have given asylum to a political fugitive. His name is Krishna Das. Krishna Das is a guy who is a political fugitive for the Nawab of the Bengal. For him, the East India Company has given asylum for this. And apart from this, why British has been harsh in situation means British felt that the Siraj Dowla, who is the present Nawab of the Bengal, has been combining with the French. That's why by involving the French and reducing the British factor in such a situation, this is the English fear. And what came into the battlefield means when Siraj Dowla attacked and seized the English fort, that is the Fort William at Calcutta. It lead to the somewhat brought the hostility between the English and the French. And when the propaganda of black hole tragedy, this is said to be the this attack of Siraj Dowla against the English fort Calcutta is said to be the black hole tragedy. Why this is called as black hole tragedy means because of the situation occurred there. It is believed that Siraj Dowla has imprisoned almost 143 English men by imprisoning them in a tiny small room. 123 of them has been died from suffocation itself. Due to this small room, small space, 123 got killed in the room due to the suffocation. And however, historians can't believe the story. This is the situation. This is the prelude of the battle. And coming to the battle situation, how the battle occurred and what all the things happened. Let's see now uh, how the battle has been happened. Let's see how the battle has been occurred means English in Bengal strengthened by the under the control of the uh, generally there is a situation where English has been established its hold at Chennai, that is the Madras, as well as and the Calcutta, two places, and also the third place is the Bombay, as we all know. Now, the English at the Calcutta has been strengthened by the English at the Calcutta has been strengthened by the commander who is the commander of the Madras commander. He is Robert Clive. By his commanding, this Calcutta has been strengthened. This is the strength for the British. And under the British, the Robert Clive during at the Madras and the British of the Calcutta, both has been come under in one way, and another way is apart from this, Robert Clive has made a secret alliance with Nawab traitors who has been hostile to the Nawabs. We already discussed in the previous video that there are lot many internal conflicts with regard to the Nawab of the Bengal, including the Mir Jafar and some lady, all these things. From these men, the Robert Clive had made a secret alliance to uh, do some things against the Nawab. These include Mir Jafar and Rai Darba, and apart from this, Jaga Seth, a man called Jaga Seth, and Omi Chand, Omni Chand. These guys, with these guys, the Robert Clive had been made a secret alliance to defeat the uh, so-called Nawab of the Bengal, Siraj Dawla, and made a deal that this Mir Jafar, this guy has to become the Nawab in the upcoming situation after the battle. He promised that Mir Jafar will be the future Nawab if all things happen perfectly. This is the deal. It further strengthened the British again. And from all these situations, due to the conspiracy, Siraj's 50,000 strong army defeated with the small forces of the Robert Clive. A 50,000 large army of the Siraj Dawla has been defeated by the Robert Clive's army, small army. And Siraj Dawla, apart from this, captured and murdered an order of the Miran, so called Mir Jafar. Siraj Dawla captured and murdered. And battle placed the British its disposal of vast resources of the Bengal. It given the all resources of the Bengal into the hands of the British. And apart from this, British now monopolize the trade and commerce of the Bengal. This is the all about the battle. What occurs? Robert Clive of the Madras commander has came into play, and he has made deal with the Mir Jafar, Rai Darba, and Jagaset and Omnichand. These guys are the some of the hostilities of the Nawab so-called Siraj Dawla. By this war, the Siraj Dawla has been murdered in this war, and battle placed the it now the battle allows the British to exploit all the vast resources of Bengal. And apart from this, the British monopolized the trade. This is the situation here.